About writing style, whatever we prefer, what is the implication on our personality or behavior? If we prefer complete capital writing, it is one of the criminal tendencies. That doesn't mean they are criminals. There are out of there's so many 50 criminal tendencies, more than 8 or 10 comes in writing means they may become criminal. But this complete capital writing is one among that. They have something to hide. It's like an iron wall. So behind that, they want to hide something. It may be some criminal tendency or something they have done, some crime or something, or some trauma or something happened to them. They want to hide. So it's a hidden aspect. They don't want to reveal about themselves. Next one is the print writing. Print writing means it starts from top. Almost all the letter they start from top. T comes from top, D comes from top, B comes from top. So we can't connect previous letter and next letter. So print means separate. It is basically disconnected only. In the disconnected also starting from top. Top means they are already on cloud 9, sitting there. They think high about themselves. So if anything happens to them, anybody poking them, they fall down. They get hurt most. They are more sensitive because they fall down. So cloud 9 sitting means they are away from reality. They are not grounded. They are not starting from the ground reality. So how they went there? Who kept them on the cloud 9? So imagine in a park there is a slide. You have to climb the step, then enjoy the slide. But these people expect someone to keep them on top of the slide. They want only the enjoyment. So what happens? They want their parents to keep them there. Means in life also, they want their parents to set them everything. Financial strength, stability, or any other things. Or they may expect from the in-laws side, or someone dies and writes in their name. That way they don't want to climb the ladder, the hard work. So print writing means that way. And another is disconnected. So they are disconnected. They are secretive to the power of 10. Means they may talk anything under the sun if they are talkative, but not about their feelings and emotions. So in their sentence, the feeling word will not come. See, normally when we tell this, they'll say, I share everything. But how they share? They may share something, I went this, I had this, I ate this, like that. But the way feelings expression means, I went there, I ate this, it was so nice, awesome, I felt so good. That felt word, that will not be there. So this is the difference in the analysis. Please note about this. When print writers so disconnected that connecting to people becomes difficult. Connecting to people, connected thoughts. Flow of thoughts becomes difficult. And disconnected means, see, normally nowadays children, the print writing, what indicates is they tell parents, you go, I don't know whoever it is. In the function and all, they tell, I don't come, you go, because I don't know anybody. By birth, no one knows anybody. You have to go, mingle and all. But print writing actually separates them. About print writing, what I have to say is, it is disconnected. That means they are not getting connected to emotions. So gratitude will be missing. So gratitude towards their teachers, parents, or other people who help them, that becomes disconnected, missing. So print writing people, example I will give. If one person stabs a person, he has to get connected and that person is writhing in pain. No, print writers, they can kill 20 more. It is a complete disconnection from the pain of others. And not only that, now if you observe our teachers and all, the old days, cursive writing. Now also we respect, whenever we see them, we remember what they taught us and we pay gratitude, we respect. But now if you observe children who practice print writing, then and there they forget about teachers. They don't remember, there is no gratitude expression or anything. So print writing means the complete disconnection from people and from emotions. Then cursive writing. So in the cursive also, cursive formation may be there, but disconnection may be there. So cursive is that means ground reality. They'll start and come back to ground reality. But if disconnection is there means it's again disconnection, but they are not away from reality. It's the hesitation to connect, maybe because of some experience. And one more type of writing is part print, part cursive. That means selectively they get connected to people, not with all the people. So they decide with whom to get connected. That is part print, part cursive. And complete cursive writing means flow will be very good, fluidity of thoughts and connection also very good. Now you may ask, what is the right way? No, best way of writing? It's nothing like that, right or wrong. Cursive helps in connection and the flow of thoughts. That's the best way. If not all the letters, at least most of the letters, if you connect, that is better. That's what I can tell.